I will help you or I am going to help you. Which one is correct? So let's know the difference between two sentences. Okay. So I will help you means I have just decided to help you just now spontaneously. But I am going to help you means something you have been thinking of for a while. Means this one you have already thought. So you are going to use I am going to help you. But I will help you. That is a spontaneous reaction. I have just decided to help you. So in today's video, we will learn the use of will versus going to. So if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe. Okay. And if you are watching us in FB, then please follow in FB. You will get more number of worksheets there and short moral stories also there. Okay. So let's start today's video. I haven't got my phone. That's okay. So does you mind? I haven't got my phone. So just now I have decided. That's why I will lend you mine. Okay. It's Rima's birthday next week. So dash her some flowers. We already know it's Rima's birthday next week. So we are going to use here present continuous. We are going to buy her some flowers. One, will you lend me rupees 50? I promise dash it back to you tomorrow. Will you lend me? क्या मुझे उधार दे सकते हो 50 rupees का? So that just decided that I promise dash it back to you tomorrow. So I promise I will give it back to you tomorrow. Okay. Dash a barbecue tomorrow. It's all planned. So I hope it won't rain. So dash a barbecue tomorrow. It's all planned. So it's written it's all planned. So the answer will be we are going to have a barbecue tomorrow. It's all planned. So I hope it won't rain. Now Jim's starting university tomorrow. Jim's means contraction. Jim is starting university tomorrow. What dash study? So what is he going to study? Because he already decided to start university tomorrow. That's why what is he going to study? Okay. These are the two questions you are going to comment me. Understood or not where to use will and where to use going to. Okay.